Hi everyone, it is Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in this video we're going to be looking at the Vidyo.ai pricing, and I'm also going to compare this video repurposing tool to two of its other main competitors, which are OpusClip and Munch. If you'd like to see which one I would recommend, stick around and we'll have a look at that right now. Vertical short-form video repurposing has become a really big thing in the world of AI video creation in the last 12 months. You may have come across these sorts of channels on TikTok or YouTube or basically any of your social medias where we have vertical video, Instagram Reels, even X. They've taken basically podcasts and they've used one of these automatic clipping tools which uses AI to find the interesting bits in the podcast or whatever video you happen to tell it to look at, and it will create a series of short clips. You can create 10 or 20 short clips that you can use to build up a social media or fan page. Let's have a quick look at what I'm talking about so you know what I mean.
That's their apartment building. I mean, we pay it off, right? They don't pay it off. All the politicians get to take debt from us, then they get to spend.
So you can see that it's taken, it knows who's talking and it pans the video over to that person, and it also adds these nice big captions. So let's have a look at the pricing of Vidyo.ai, which is one of the leading tools for video repurposing. Basically what you're going to be doing is finding a video on YouTube, a horizontal video like a podcast, just a normal YouTube video. You're going to give the URL to this tool and it's going to do all the rest for you, and you can just download those clips and they're ready to use. So there is actually a free forever plan on Vidyo.ai, so you can just sign up straight away, and make sure you use the link that I have left in the description and the pinned comment of this video if you want to try out VidyoAI, and that's your way of saying thank you for Studio Hacks for providing all this free content for you. So you can actually get 75 minutes of free upload. So that means that if the podcast is 1 hour long, it will use up 60 minutes of that upload time to create all those short clips. So if you're going to go with a monthly plan, the Pro monthly plan is $30 a month and the Pro Plus is $50 a month. And this is just basically giving you a certain amount of credits every month to use. So the Pro is 300 minutes and the Pro Plus is 500 minutes of monthly upload. You also get some extra features like a virality score and uploading custom fonts and designs with these Pro plans. But the good thing is that you have no watermark even on the free plan. Let's compare that to one of its main competitors, which is OpusClip. OpusClip give you, for $57 a month, they give you 600 minutes of upload. So that's very comparable to the Pro Plus. Let's see, this one's got 300 minutes for $30. Let's see what, so this one's got 200 minutes for $19. So that's kind of comparable to the $38 for 400 minutes. You can see that the pricing is very similar, and these tools do more or less exactly the same thing. They just have slightly different styles and the way that they go about it, and the user interfaces are different. So the other main competitor is an app called Munch. They have a flat fee if you're paying monthly for their Pro plan, which is $49 a month, and they give you 200 minutes. I guess if you're serious about making a clips channel on TikTok or YouTube and you're basically trying to build up a big account and make money through affiliate marketing or one of the creativity programs or the creator fund, which you get on YouTube, you might want to save yourself a lot of money and go with the yearly option, because the yearly option you actually get 40% off the entire price. So their Pro plan would be $216 for the whole year. So if you think you're going to be using this every month, obviously the 40% off is the best option to go for. You can see that the pricing is very similar. If you pay for the year with OpusClip, you get 50% off, 40% off there. And with Munch, if you pay annually, you get about 20% off the price. Now, the reason why I think Munch is a little bit more expensive is that once it's created clips for you, it actually gives you like an AI generated TikTok description, it gives you a YouTube Shorts title, and it even gives you for X, which used to be Twitter. It gives you like a post that you can use. OpusClip and Vidyo are more just like you upload a video or you paste in a link, like a YouTube link, and then it will just do all the rest for you and give you a clips. It's much more streamlined, but Vidyo and OpusClip don't really have those extra little features that Munch has. But to be honest, I don't really use those extra features, so I would probably just go with Vidyo or OpusClip because you get a lot more minutes for the money you spend. And the great thing about Vidyo.ai is they actually have a free trial with 75 minutes, so you can just go and try it out and see how it works for you. If you would like some more in-depth reviews and tutorials of each of these pieces of software, I will leave a link also in the description. I have done a full review of OpusClip and Munch, and I'm currently working on one for Vidyo.ai. But this video was mainly just to show you the pricing and to give you my personal opinion on these products as I've tried out all three. If you found this content valuable, make sure you do like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, if you want to go and try out Vidyo right now for free, no credit card or anything, just use the link that I have left in the description and the pinned comment of this video. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.